Given that drone strikes have a proven record of increasing Islamic extremism, would you not agree that they are a futile attempt to counter the extremist threat?
I absolutely agree with you. I absolutely agree with you, and I absolutely agree with you. Not that it's adding to extremism, but it's wrong, and I've conveyed it in very clear words to the U.S. government. Drones or attacks on people's homes are not a fight against terrorism. It's a wrong tactic, and they should stop it.
Next question.
You expected a different answer? You expected a different answer?
Well, I was just expecting, I was hoping that you to give strong condemnation of the US government.
You mean stronger than what I said?
I was hoping you could say explicitly to President Obama, please stop.
I have done that. I have done that. I wish you were in one of the video conferences between us. Or ask my national security advisor if he dares to talk the truth. I have done that. And I fully agree with you. Fully.